Welcome back to Focus Systems Week. Yesterday, we organized our thoughts using executive function, the brain's organizer. Today, we're shifting from organizing to calming. This lesson is all about stress management, which I like to call the calm creator. Because calm doesn't just happen. It's a system you can build and practice every day. Your brain is powerful, but it's also sensitive. When you feel overwhelmed, distracted, or tired, it's not because you're failing. It's because your brain is sending you an SOS signal. That feeling of tension in your shoulders, your racing thoughts, your short patience, all of it means your brain is asking for a reset. The good news is, you can train your brain to calm itself faster when you notice those signs. What are the first signals that tell you your brain is under stress? Is it your body, your thoughts, or your mood that notice it first? Once you know your stress signals, the next step is creating your own calm system. Short actions that tell your body you're safe and in control. These aren't long breaks or big rewards. They're micro resets that take less than 5 minutes. Examples include stepping outside for fresh air, taking 3 slow breaths, stretching your shoulders, tidying one small space, drinking water, or listening to a calm song. These tiny resets lower stress hormones and clear mental fog so your brain can refocus. Which micro reset sounds most natural for you? Something physical like stretching, something quiet like breathing, or something environmental like tidying your space. The final piece is using your calm system on purpose. When you start to feel stress rising, pause and run your calm system step by step. For example, close your laptop, take a slow breath, roll your shoulders, drink water, and exhale. It's simple, but consistency is what rewires your brain for faster recovery. Over time, your brain learns to shift from stress to calm more quickly, and focus returns without forcing it. What would your 5-minute calm system look like if you designed one today? What steps would you include, and when could you use it this week? Building calm is not about ignoring pressure. It's about managing it wisely. Stress will always show up, but now you have a system to guide your brain back to clarity. Remember, you don't have to escape to rest. You can rest right where you are. Calm isn't luck. It's a system you can practice until it becomes second nature.